Hey everybody, Hillman here. This is just an audio test. I got my DVR in, my digital voice recorder in. I'm using the lapel mic that came with it. I've got a new noise canceling lapel mic coming that hopefully will be better than the one that came with this. It already had fallen apart and I put the cap back on it. But, well, I dropped it in the floor, let's be honest. But this is strictly a video to test the audio syncing with Sony Movie Studio 13 Platinum to make sure I've got that down. My weather station says the wind is blowing 37 miles an hour, and this is my opportunity to check how well this is going to cancel the wind noise. The new microphone should do a whole lot better, and that's strictly all this is for. I've got the microphone right there. Maybe my beard scratching against it with the wind, but strictly a test. And let me know what you guys think. And because I want to get this down, I want to be able to do this and do it right. And so, hope you guys had a great Monday. I'm glad it's over. Peace.